In the dashboard, click on the side draw menu at the top left. In the side draw menu, select the Reports menu. The Reports page is now open. In the top swiping menu, select View on Hand. The list of all material and their status is listed below. Can also use a search menu to search by item name or by date. In the side draw menu, select the Payment Transactions menu. List of all the payment transactions. Can also use a search menu to search by vendor. In the side draw menu, select the Spend Analysis. Click on the various options here to view analysis of your spendings.